Welcome to the second instalment of the IGCSE Paper 2 warm-up video for 2018. I'm going to flick through the first slides to where we got to last time and then carry on. Hopefully the handwriting is going to be a little bit better. I've got a much better pen to use on the screen, so let's go for it. So this is where we got to. Now this is quite a tricky question in my humble opinion. Because there's only one mark here and they're not obviously expecting you to do anything flash. They simply want you to show some understanding about volumes of gases. So what volume of sulfur trioxide is obtained from 1,000 decimeter cubed of sulfur dioxide? The actual answer is 1,000 and that's because you've got an equal ratio of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide, so it's 2 to 2. Now you couldn't do this with masses, but because every single gas occupies the same volume if you have an equal number of moles of each gas, you can just use a simple conversion of 1,000 to 1,000. Now because the ratio it hits 2 to 1, that tells you that the volume of oxygen is going to be half that. So you're going to have 500 decimeters cubed. You can see the handwriting is a little bit better. Now it asks you here to evaluate the conditions that are used. So the use of higher pressures and lower temperatures gives a greater yield. Why would you not use a higher pressure? That's because high pressures generally are dangerous. So that would be a reasonable answer for that. And lower temperatures, well, temperature doesn't just affect the yield, but it also affects the speed of the reaction. So lower temperature is not used because the reaction would be too slow. That should be a W. Okay, so on to the next question. Now this question asks you to evaluate the conditions used in a reversible reaction, and bizarrely we've got a symbol F here. Now that's a computer problem. That should be a reversible arrow there. And we're producing methanol from carbon monoxide and hydrogen. And so we're being asked to state 2 advantages of using a pressure higher than 200 atmospheres. Well, the first advantage that comes to me is that the reaction